Hey friends, welcome to Study and Quizzy Planet. Take this amazing general knowledge quiz challenge and score out and comment your score in comment section. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome quizzes and brain games. Ready? Let's jump right into it. What is the highest mountain in South America? Aconcagua. What is the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth? Minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, Antarctica. What is the name for a scientist who studies the weather? Meteorologist. What is the driest non-polar desert in the world? Atacama Desert. What causes the northern lights? Solar particles hitting Earth's atmosphere. What do you call the boundary where two air masses meet? Front. What is a tornado that forms over water called? Water spout. What is the name of the strongest hurricane ever recorded? Hurricane Patricia. What is the windiest place on Earth? Commonwealth Bay, Antarctica. What type of storm creates a funnel-shaped cloud? Tornado. What is the world's hottest desert? Desert, Iran. What is the only country without an official capital? Nauru. What country has the most natural lakes? Canada. What country is home to the Great Pyramid of Giza? Egypt. What is the only continent with no reptiles? Antarctica. What is the only sea without a coastline? Sargasso Sea. What is the only flag that doesn't have four sides? Nepal. What country has the most active volcanoes? Indonesia. What is the smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean. What country is home to the Amazon rainforest? Brazil. Which country has the most official languages? Zimbabwe. What is the largest national park in the US? Ranger St. Elias. What national park is home to Old Faithful Geyser? Yellowstone. Which country is home to the Galapagos Islands? Ecuador. Which African country has the most wildlife parks? Kenya. What is the biggest rainforest in the world? Amazon rainforest. What is the largest animal in the ocean? Blue whale. What national park is known for its giant sequoia trees? Sequoia. What animal is Australia famous for? Kangaroo. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Where can you find polar bears? Arctic. What continent has the most countries? Africa. What is the only continent that covers all four hemispheres? Africa. What continent has the fewest people? Antarctica. What is the smallest continent by land area? continent is the driest? Antarctica. Which continent is the wettest? South America. Which continent has the most people? Asia. Which continent has no major rivers? Antarctica. Which continent is home to the Amazon River? South America. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel and comment your score on the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.